So, in today's video, I am going to show you that how you can make this poster, just using Pixellab and Lightroom. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's start with adding the background, because without this image, today's poster is going to be nothing. We'll start implementing the subjects one by one. Remember, you will get everything that is being used or going to be used later in this project. You can get all of these from a single link given in the description below. And now I will create a foreground with a faded gradient overlay. Let me show you how to make it. Now I will add some more images on the foreground. Adding an abstract logo of Real Madrid so that I can make it to any color I want, but for this project I want it to be white. To make the foreground images look more realistic, I will create a reflective shadow so that it doesn't look that much fake. So follow the process and let's see how to make it. Now apply the same process for the other images. So the Pixellab works are done. Now we can jump into Lightroom. In Lightroom, I will add some cinematic flair to the poster. Play around with the lighting to make those characters pop, and don't be afraid to go wild with the colors. Little and basic changes are going to more than enough for a football poster. There you have it, folks, your very own football poster. So this was for today. See you on another video. Till then, be smart, be safe, be creative.